Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to free up your disk space on OneDrive PC. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account in my OneDrive PC application. Right here, this is the interface, and let's simply try to clear up the disk space. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Settings. At the top right, you will see a gear-like icon that is called as Settings. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. From here, you will be provided lots of options. But guys, what we need to go to is simply Settings. So I'm going to click on the first option right here. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. Initially, you will be in the sync and backup page. This page right here is what we need to be in. I'm simply going to scroll down till I see something like Advanced Settings. Click on it right now. Then furthermore, scroll down till you see something like Files on Demand. And right here, you can see two buttons, namely Free Up Disk Space and Download All Files. Right now, what we want to do is simply clear up our disk space. So I'm going to click on the first option right here. It's going to ask for your confirmation. I'm simply going to hit on Continue. And guys, that's it. That's how you free up disk space for your OneDrive PC. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.